The K-pop group NewJeans, now rebranded as NJZ, is facing a legal dispute with their agency, Adore. This conflict began when the five members sought to leave the company, citing breaches of contract related to artist protection and support. However, Adore countered these claims, stating that the group's exclusive agreements remained valid. The case quickly escalated, drawing widespread attention from fans and industry insiders. On March 21, 2025, the Seoul Central District Court ruled in favor of ADOR, issuing an injunction that prevents NJZ members from engaging in independent activities without the agency's approval. This decision means that the group cannot sign advertising contracts, release music, or participate in any entertainment projects unless ADOR consents. The court's ruling was seen as a major setback for NJZ's efforts to break away. The dispute first became public in November 2024 when NewJeans members announced their departure from Adore. They accused the agency of failing to provide adequate support and claimed that their working conditions had become unbearable. Shortly after, they revealed plans to continue their careers under the new name NJZ, signaling their intent to operate independently from their former management. Adore, however, strongly denied any wrongdoing and insisted that the group's exclusive contracts were still legally binding. The company took legal action to prevent the members from pursuing independent careers, arguing that their contracts were being violated. This led to a contentious court battle, with both sides presenting conflicting narratives about their working relationship. The court ultimately sided with ADOR, ruling that NJZ had not provided sufficient evidence to prove that the agency had violated its contractual obligations. The judge stated that while disputes within entertainment companies are not uncommon, there was no clear indication that Adore had acted unlawfully or in a way that justified the group's immediate departure. Following the ruling, NJZ members expressed their disappointment, stating that they respect the court's decision but believe it to be unfair. They emphasized that their trust in ADOR had been broken and that continuing to work under the agency was no longer an option. Despite the setback, they announced plans to appeal the decision in hopes of securing their independence. The legal battle has sparked intense debate within the K-pop industry, with many questioning the fairness of exclusive contracts between idols and their agencies. Some fans have voiced support for NJZ, arguing that artists should have more control over their careers. Others believe ADOR has the right to enforce contracts, highlighting the complexities of the entertainment business. In response to public backlash, ADOR released a statement reaffirming its commitment to supporting its artists and maintaining professionalism in all dealings. The agency emphasized that it had always acted in accordance with the law and that the contracts in place were standard within the industry. It also urged fans to avoid speculation and wait for further legal proceedings. Meanwhile, NJZ continues to explore legal options, determined to gain the freedom they believe they deserve. Their legal representatives have indicated that they will present new evidence in their appeal, hoping to convince the courts that ADOR failed to uphold its responsibilities as a management company. The coming months are expected to be crucial in determining the group's future. As the case unfolds, the controversy surrounding NJZ and Adore highlights larger concerns about artist rights and agency power in K-pop. Many industry insiders believe this case could set a precedent for future disputes between idols and entertainment companies. With tensions running high, both sides remain firm in their stances, leaving the future of NJZ uncertain.